If weights were used, stow all weights in carrier and secure with the thumb screws. Remove the ladder from the van, close all doors, set up the ladder along the back passenger side of the van. Unlock the leg and push the lower leg up, loosely tighten the thumb screw. From the ladder, pull the awning center post down and stow the center rib leg. Set up the ladder along the back driver's side of the van. From the ladder, disconnect the fourth rib strap to the roof rack anchor. Using the strap on the third rib, walk the awning around to the passenger side of the van. Set up the ladder along the side door passenger side. Lift the awning ribs into the carrier. Fold up the awning into the carrier. Strap the awning with the Velcro. Flip the awning bag down over the top of the carrier and stow the awning. Zip up the length of the awning bag to close it. Stow your ladder.